हम सबकी प्रेरणा के स्रोत सम्मानित सभापति जी, माननीय उपसभापति जी, माननीय राज्यसभा के सदस्यगण, राज्यसभा के अधिकारीगण, मीडिया के प्रबुद्ध प्रतिनिधिगण, जैसा कि माननीय सभापति जी ने कहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स के लिए नहीं बल्कि आपको यहाँ पर उपस्थित होने के लिए और इस कार्यक्रम में भागीदारी के लिए अपनी ओर से बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहता हूँ और शुभकामना देना चाहता हूँ कि आप इस कार्यक्रम का पूरा लाभ उठा पाएंगे। आप इस कार्यक्रम को आयोजन करने के लिए कुछ लोगों के प्रति धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करना मेरा कर्तव्य है। सो I would like to do that. The Thanksgiving should start from where it all flows. It is Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha whose constant inspiration, guidance and a genuine interest in this orientation program has made this happen today. As you are aware, there were thoughts of organizing this program digitally initially, but Honorable Chairman, a humanist that he is, wanted this to happen where members could not only listen to the lectures but interact, mingle and gain knowledge in an informal atmosphere of warmth, friendship and bonhomie. Honorable Chairman, sir, I thank you from the core of my heart for your vision and for providing the leadership and the patronage for organizing this program by the Secretariat. The inspirational address that you just now delivered has aptly outlined the wider canvas within which the members of the Rajya Sabha are expected to function, setting examples of high standard of conduct and dedication. Apart from adding depth and content to the program, your perspective has clearly set the tone for the deliberations during this two-day program. We are also privileged to have with us today Honorable Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha, whose kindness and gentle benevolence are the virtues which are admired by all and sundry. I would like to thank you, sir, for your enlightening words and for your experience sharing, which I am sure the newly elected and nominated members have found enriching. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the newly elected and nominated members of the Rajya Sabha and thank all of you for participating in this program in such a large number. I have witnessed the other programs and I can say that the attendance today is really very significant. Your membership of Rajya Sabha is a significant milestone in your career in public life, which you realize. जैसा कि जॉन एफ कैडी ने एक बार कहा था कि लीडरशिप एंड लर्निंग गो टुगेदर. You have the first quality in abundance. In our own humble way, we provide you the platform for the second component, that is learning of the parliamentary procedures. I hope this two-day orientation program will help you in effectively discharging your parliamentary responsibility. The orientation program is also aimed at familiarizing you with the amenities and entitlements that are available to the members and any clarification that you wish to seek. Honorable members, you may recall that our Honorable Chairman in the House and even just now emphasized the use of library by the Honorable members. Acquiring knowledge is important, but equally important is what do you do with that, what you know. And to tell you all this, there couldn't be better than our own veteran parliamentarians. We have, therefore, for this program, invited several veteran parliamentarians, domain experts, apart from the officers of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, who will, with their in-depth knowledge and vast experience, will be able to give you a good insight into this. I express my thanks to all the distinguished speakers for agreeing to address the honorable members during this program. They will be speaking to you on diverse topics of parliamentary importance, such as Rajya Sabha, its role and contribution to the Indian polity, importance of question hour, raising matters of public importance, parliamentary privileges, lawmaking process, committee system that we have, and ethics in politics, the do's and don'ts for the members. I hope you will find them useful. Besides this, the members will be apprised about the various services and activities of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, which is member salary, allowances and amenities, IT environment in the Rajya Sabha, etc. And the concerned officers will be in attendance, and for any clarification, they will be able to provide you required input. I am sure that the lectures delivered by the distinguished speakers in various sessions will give you an insight into the subtle and finer nuances of the parliamentary processes as well. Lectures on these topics will be followed by question-answer session when the honorable members will get an opportunity to seek clarification on several issues. I hope your interaction with the speakers would also be very enriching and meaningful. I would also like to mention on this occasion that we also circulate material of parliamentary topics prepared by the Rajya Sabha Secretariat for the benefit of new members. The reading material, including the rule book, are being given to the members, which may be useful in understanding the different aspects of the working of the Parliament in general and of the Rajya Sabha in particular. I would like to commend and thank all the officers and staff of the Rajya Sabha, in the end, the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, who have been involved in organizing this program and have been doing this onerous task every 2 years, mostly. I would also like to thank all the other supporting agencies, including NIC, for providing logistic support for the smooth conduct of the program. I am also thankful to the members from the print and electronic media who have come to cover this program. On behalf of the participants and on behalf of the Rajya Sabha Secretariat and on my own behalf, I once again express my gratitude to the Honorable Chairman, and to all of you for gracing this occasion and for participating in the event. Lastly, at the end of it, I would like to invite you for some tea and snacks at the banquet hall. Please join us after this at 12. We will reassemble at 12. The next session begins at 12. Thank you.